Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the OnePlayer application, which pretty much plays videos, music using this application here. So, video and music player, and as well you can download videos on Google Chrome or whatever. You have the built-in browser here, which you can pretty much use Google Chrome. So first off, at the video section, once you do open the application, you're gonna encounter a few ads. So once you have cleared off all the ads, it will ask access to your storage. Once you have granted access to your storage, you're pretty much good to go, and it will pretty much scan your device and see if you have any videos or musics on your device. So here you have the full option where you can search for yourself, or in the video option, it will pretty much show all the videos that it pretty much finds on your device. As you can see here, I have two videos on my device. That's pretty much it. And as well, if you do go in the music section, it will pretty much load up an ad. So do keep it.
Is this even real?
Do keep that in mind, as you can see here. But once the ad is finished, you're pretty much good to go. And you just tap on the phone icon here, X, and you're good to go. You pretty much can find all your music in this section, albums, or just pretty much everything will be shown in this section here. And as well, you can use their browser feature and pretty much browse the internet using this application here. You can download videos and as well download music using this application here. So if you go on the website or the cases, you can pretty much go ahead and download video through the application. So that's really pretty much it, and will pretty much show in the download section over here, as well as you can see your devotional ads again. So all you have to do, pretty much X off the ads, and you're good to go. So let me just finish this up ads here, tap on the phone icon here, X, and it will pretty much show in this section here. So if you do want to remove all ads from the application, you can tap on the crown icon at the top here to get their subscription. As you can see here, they have a monthly subscription, a year subscription, and a lifetime subscription. And as you can see here, it will remove the ads and no download limits. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And if you still don't understand how to download anything or download your videos, you can tap on the how to download option. It will just take you through a step process. Is here. You want to search the website, play the video, tap on the three dots. You can tap on the three dots option, and it will pretty much give you the option to download the video. As you can see here, you can just tap on the video, and as well give you the option if you want to download the video in 720, 360p, or 180p, whichever option works for you. Then we tap on the next option, as you can see here, and that's really pretty much it. So that's really pretty much it for this video, guys. If I missed anything at all in this tutorial, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you. See you in the next one.